of myself. I want to proceed. Minimum bizarre. I don't want to make any changes here. I want to see what I got, all these messages. Google Voice Babe, if you get a chance. Hey babe, brother. Got some spammy messages. Google Voice, hey, this is Joshua. This number will expire in 7 days. This message from what? Oh, Gmail. Taking my notes and make sure that this is being taken care of. Okay, so it's the same thing here. Out this 30 days. So I'm going to mark all of those for deletion. Let's see what's the messages here. Joshua, from the time of person, just letting you know that your life insurance extension. Have a great day. Bye bye. Check it out. Otherwise, look forward to hearing from you. Life insurance. What else did we get here? Joshua. Here's security alert. Here's another message. Hey babe, it's your brother just calling to check you. When you give me a call if you get a chance. Bye. When you look at who sent this message, subject new voicemail. Grand Central bounces google.com. It's another garbage. Here's, here's another babe. Babe, if you have a chance, give me a call. Talk to you later. Bye. All of those. I want to keep the last two, and I want to delete the rest. Then I want to go to Google Voice, if I can make an outbound call. This number, I don't know what it is, some spammy. So I want to delete it with, I think, Shift and delete permanently. Then I want to call this number. Tell me about a vanity phone number that spells X Strategies Co. But this vanity phone number spells the words X Strategies Co. Can you repeat? Can you repeat it? Can you repeat the number, the name, please? Okay, let me tell you the number, the area code first. 978 728 3443. Can you repeat it? That's right, and that spells the words X, the letter X, Strategies Co. Can you repeat it? No, no. It's not 720, it is 728. 728. No, not 720, 728. That's correct. And the name is X Strategies Co. Can you repeat it? That's right. You forgot about the last digit, which is 3. That's right. And let me spell the name is X Strategiesco. X Strategies Co. No, it's not strategies, it is X, a prefix of X and a suffix of co. Co, like the domain name extension .co. Co. No, it is strategies, plural, Co. And it has a prefix of an X before it. So together it is X Strategies Co. That's okay. Now explain to me what can I do with this vanity phone number? What kind of a business do you think will fit this vanity phone number? Something about strategies. Or it can be strategies for business or for trading, automated trading strategies like algo trading or day trading. Yes, not only guidance, but completely fully automated trading strategies that they can deploy without having to understand it. It is like an app. Exactly. What do you think? That's right. I want to have two different main focuses of the business. One will be a consulting business about strategies in general, and another one will be focusing on automated trading systems like cryptocurrencies, for example. By now. So now I finished chatting with the 800 Chat GPT, and I'm going to go to Drive, and I'm going to upload it to Drive. So now that I'm in Drive, I select plus new, then folder upload, and then I'm going to wait for the dialog box. This is the select folder to upload dialog box where I paste the file name with the prefix of the subfolder. At this point, since I selected folder upload, I want to delete the file name because it's included already in the subfolder name. The subfolder is Google Voice, so I can delete everything to the right of the backslash. So after deleting it, the default is to upload, so I'm going to press the default button once and then the default button twice, and then keep up both folder and click upload yet again for the third time, and then I will see in the note 10 of 21, which means it is uploaded already 21 folders. So I'm going to write the number of folders that it uploaded at the bottom here, 21, and then place an X before the file name to indicate that I've already saved it to this Google Voice subfolder. And then I select File Save and save it again. Now I would like to save it also to another subfolder of the document subfolder. And that way I back it up in two different subfolders. So I'm going to go File, Save As, and then I will try to scroll down to find the X Strategies Co subfolder and see if I can find it on my list. And here it is, the file in Google Voice, but I want to find it on the Documents subfolder. So I'm going to backspace to delete Google Voice and keep Documents, and then press the return, and then scroll down to the letter X and hope to find X Strategies Co. So here I'm at X Strategies Co. And then I click on X Strategies Co. Get inside and copy the path to the clipboard buffer with Control C, and then place it at the beginning of the string. Control V to paste, followed by a backslash. Then I'm ready to save it. I place the cursor on the file name field, copy to the clipboard buffer, then click the save button, and then I paste it in my notes, edit, paste, and then I will upload it to the drive, to the Google Drive. So I'm pressing the plus new folder upload, paste the string with the folder subfolder name at the beginning, and then delete the remaining that I don't need. The remainder I delete, backspace, and then press the enter key to upload one time, and then another press on the enter key. Finally, it replies by saying upload 2 files to this site. This will upload all the files from the subfolder name. Only do it if you trust the site, which I do. So I click upload yet again, and then I select in the upload option dialog box, I select the keep both folders. And this way, if the subfolder have a slightly different subfolder, both of them will be kept. And now that I've done that too, I want to save the same thing to psr.txt. So I'm going to pop psr.txt, tap it, wait for it to give me a chance to save it. But before I save it, I want to add a comment in the form of the previous file name. So I'm going to wait for the hourglass to finish, and then I'm going to click the button add comment. At this point, I can paste the comment with Control V into the comment field, and then click OK, and then click review additional details and scroll up to see exactly what were the issues and how many steps was it. It is 216 steps. The last one said user left click on the home Google Drive document in home Google Drive Google Chrome. So with this in mind, I select a new recording. Oh, I forgot to save it. Said you did not save it, will be lost. Do you want to save the recording? Yes, I want to save the recording. I thought that I did save it, but apparently I forgot. So I'm going to paste it here. X Strategies Co. Actually, I need to change the path. That is the problem here. I want to take the new path, copy to the clipboard buffer, and override the previous path. That was the problem. Control V. I may need also to put in the date, which is today's date. It is 3/8 for March 8th, year 2025. The day of the week is capital S, lowercase a period for Saturday, and the time of the day is 3:40, 3:40 p.m. And this is .zp, .zip type of a file format. So the text is not correct. I should either delete it or put instead at the end .zip for zip. Now I got the correct file name. Will not expire in 30 days. with the embedded video file name. So this is a methodology for having more documentation than needed to have a backup and recovery and error detection in the way that the prefix contains a date and time as entered by the operator. In this case, it is me. I noticed that I made a mistake, so I correct it. The current time, 3:40 p.m. .zip, that it is a type zip type of a file, and then the message that it will not expire in 30 days, and most importantly, the embedded video file name. My video 25303. So now that I got all of that, I'm ready to actually try it and save it and see if it will work. Copy to the clipboard buffer, click the save button, and then put it in my notes. Control V. At this point, I can upload just the folder, not the entire subfolder, but just this last folder. So I click new folder, and then I click file upload. Then I wait for the dialog box to come up and paste the entire path and the file name together and click open and see if it will work. And here it seems like it is working without any problem. So far, so good. Let's summarize what we have done. As my notes show, I have created three folders. One is a zip type of a folder that contains the outbound call, and then a couple of text folders in two different subdirectories. So one goes to the collective subdirectory, which is Google Voice, that includes all the Google Voice accounts, and underneath it another one that is more like text-based. So if we need internal quick drop in an office of on the website, I have a quick file, just a small file to represent just this one account. Now I'm ready to proceed. So I'm going to save the note file, save again. And now I can take on another account or take a rest. Eat hungry and tired. You can see that I have quite a few versions in my drive. Save it again and take another little break. I'm too tired. I'm going to stop the recording here. I'll save a few. Just too tired. Too tired to continue, so I'll have to stop now. Check the videos. I don't want to upload it, but I want to play it back. Then I have another video that I started. See if this is still working. I want to stop this one. It was about 25 minutes.